We are going on our first camping trip in the van today. Just a quick one night up to Capitol Forest because we've had this thing for almost a year and haven't camped in it. So it's been in the shop. We've driven it, but we haven't slept in it. So I'm taking Leo and Jovi out. And I'm also supposed to review this freezer cooler thing. Setpower sent it to me and I'm supposed to make him a video. So we're gonna try that out and have some fun, play in the water. But first I gotta clean up. We just rented out the van to some people on Outdoorsy, so I gotta clean up their stuff, get our stuff ready, and then we'll be good to go. The way we're going to test it out, very unscientific, is we're going to have ice cream for our camping trip tonight. And if it's melted by tonight, then it fails. And if it's not melted, it doesn't fail. So, that's it.
Can you lap this?
Yeah. Alright, she's down to 3 degrees. We'll see how long that lasts.
Bye, Pie.
It's worth it. It's time to go. Whew.
You gonna leave this thing?
Just let it run, and then when I pull in tomorrow, we'll get the shot. The pull-in shot.
Okay.
It is. It's on. Leah, where'd you plug it in?
It's right there.
A little cigarette lighter. Man.
Set up.
How you guys doing back there?
Yeah.
Campsite's all set up. Now we need to get an apple. Is it cold in here? Grab the apple.
Oh, whoa. Hey, Daddy, that's cold. I got this.
Quick campsite tour. Got Leo, Jovi, balance bike.
Spear.
Spears, we just made our spears. Chairs. The van, the awning, the pop top. We're all three gonna try to sleep up there tonight. And now we're gonna go and
To the river.
And try to spear some fish with our new sticks.
I'm gonna place it.
Are you recording us spearing the fish?
Oh, yeah.
Found the creek, but there's no fish. be happy campers. And if not, Setpower will have some rage monsters to deal with. Oh, it's a little melty. Is it harder in the middle? Did it pass the test?
No.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, it's hard on the underside. So.
It's hard down low.
So. The top didn't make it.
The top melted, bottom stayed frozen.
Yeah. So, probably normal-ish.
Our salad froze. Our milk was frozen. I think we'll have to go back to that pump and spray you guys down.
No. Toby, this way for the pump. Why are you going to the pump?
Leo, come here. I was joking, buddy. All right, we're all ready for bed. Now we just have to figure out if we can all fit in the pop top at the same time.
Hi.
Hi.
Daddy, how are you? I got.
Cozy up here.
Yes.
How do we fit?
I don't know. You can sleep like that. Hey, Dad, Joe's socks are outside. Yeah. Oh, do you think the raccoons can get them? Is it a sleeping bag?
There's one of them.
Where's our other one, Dad?
I hit you on accident.
So we move her bum.
Leo, stop kicking her.
Oh, Daddy, I'm laying down.
Jove, over here.
I'm trying to not be over by us.
Oh, we did it.
We did it.
All right, you guys cozy? Whew. We didn't make it. I got a headache. Woke up at midnight with like a real bad headache, and I could not sleep in the pop top with 2 kids on top of me. So I went down below and tried to read my book and let the headache pass, and I didn't have any ibuprofen with me. So I ended up packing up the whole campsite at like 1 o'clock in the morning and drug the kids out of the pop top, put them in their car seats, cinched it all up, and we went home. So almost a successful first camping trip in the DELICA. We'll have to try it again. But the cooler, I'll finish up the cooler. It's fine. If you want it, you can get it. If not, don't. The ice cream was like mostly frozen. Cons, it's huge and heavy and hard to carry because it has that compressor in it. Pros, it goes while your car is going. You can plug it in. It's like a real freezer, no ice. It's big, lots of storage room. So, I don't know. Pros and cons. Do you need it to have an awesome time camping in the woods with your kids? No, you do not. You don't need anything. You don't need a van. Just go sleep in a hammock with your kids on top of you. Or whatever. Eat a bunch of hot dogs. Roast them over the fire. I don't know. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see ya on the next one.